Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. It's President's Day. Many people have today off. Not me. I'm here in my kitchen, the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Last night, I prepared Durban chicken curry. It's a cashmere dish. I used one of my new blends. It's a cashmere masala. It's rich in flavor. It's really, really good. Simple. It looks simple, but there's many components to it. Mostly spices. So I will definitely get this posted up for you to try. It's really good. Please try this one. Tonight I'm going simple. And I'm switching, not continents, but I'm switching regions of the world. I'm going Italian tonight. The recipe I'm basing this on is rigatoni with tomato sauce and peas. Thank God I love peas. I really do. I love peas. So let's get to it. Got the Dutch oven out for the pasta and a simple medium-sized saucepan for the sauce. Instead of rigatoni, I'm doing salentani. This is a fun pasta. It's real simple. I'll probably use about half of this onion. Chop it, dice it. Some kosher salt, black pepper, garlic. We wouldn't be Italian without garlic. Some olive oil. I'm using petite diced tomatoes. Of course, some frozen green peas. Some tomato paste. It's real simple compared to yesterday. Some basil, oregano, a little bit of chili pepper flake, and topped off with some grated Parmesan cheese. So super simple prep. And that's it. It's keeping it simple tonight. Oh, I need a nap. I know, I just got up. Well, a little while ago. So on this President's Day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.